Really quick, guys, I want to show you one of my favorite type of cold email campaigns that's specifically designed to triple sales. So this is done by Go High Level, and if you need Go High Level, links in the description. I have no workflow trigger on here because I just manually add the leads onto here through bulk actions. First thing that comes out is the first email. Then we're gonna wait a day with the timeout. The reason why we use the timeout is that when the condition says, when it doesn't go through the condition, a day later, it's gonna go to the none section. Over here, if they do click on the email, it's gonna add a tag over here called click the email. If they do click on the email as well, it's also going to add into an opportunity section over here for us to further contact them. What we do is we take our appointment settings, and anybody that clicked on the email showed interest, but maybe for some reason they didn't convert or schedule an appointment. So what we do is we then, anybody that hits this pipeline, we then call them out. This goes on for around 3 to 4 days over here, which is repeating the same exact thing. But guys, I highly recommend you try this out. It's a very sexy cold email campaign.